Let's see some game jam stuff. If you don't get it by now, the subject is bubbles for 2025 Game Jam, Global Game Jam. So you're welcome to play my game, Bubble of Fats. There's also more games in the site. Itch is a wonderful site. It has limitation, but it is a great site. I really recommend for game developers and game lovers. Check out my page. It's called Noah Draw, like Noah and drawing. And also there is the work of Alon Sarafi. Really recommend to check him out. In case you were wondering, there are more options to this game. Also, I'm planning to do tutorial for bioinformatics. I will start with like the basic, and then we'll get into how to use a tool I developed for Ichilov Lab, but I think it can be useful for more kind of epigenetics work. So yeah, stay tuned.